Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a one-pan meal. Today I'm going to show you a one-pan dish that you can make, and it is going to be baked salmon with asparagus, and we're going to be doing it with Boursin cheese. I know you guys have seen it all over the internet, so let's just jump right in. This is such a simple recipe that you can make for dinner or even just a meal prep. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm also gonna get a small baking dish. This is just gonna be for 2 servings. I'll of course put my measurements in the description below. I'm gonna add some olive oil to the bottom of my baking dish. And I'm just going to spread it out, make sure that it is all over the bottom. I'm now going to add in 2 salmon fillets, and I like to do it with the skin on. We're gonna place it in the baking dish skin side down. Now next I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil, just drizzle it on top of the salmon. And I'm going to brush it on top. This is such a simple recipe. And if you're just feeling like a lazy dinner or a lazy meal prep, this is a great go-to. Now that I have fully coated my salmon in olive oil, I'm gonna add my toppings. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle on some sea salt. And I like to use flaky sea salt for this. You can also just use regular fine sea salt if that's all you have at home. I'm gonna generously season. And then I'm gonna use some fresh cracked black pepper. Now I'm gonna sprinkle on some paprika. This is just smoked paprika. I'm gonna add some minced garlic. I'm gonna do about a teaspoon on each of my salmon fillets, and I'm just using the minced garlic from a jar. You could do fresh garlic if that's what you have. And I like to take the brush again and just spread out that garlic all over my salmon. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. Okay, and now that we've coated that all with garlic, I'm going to add my asparagus to the sides. So I just like to get a bunch of asparagus. I'm just gonna trim off the bottom. And we're going to place the asparagus around our salmon fillets. I like to make sure that it is tightly in there so all of those flavors kind of blend together. And I'm gonna add a little drizzle of olive oil on top of the asparagus. It's going to blend together with all those flavors, so don't worry about not seasoning them. I do add a little bit of extra sea salt just on top of the asparagus, but all those flavors are gonna blend really perfectly together. The next thing I'm going to add is some sun-dried tomatoes. So I'm just gonna take them from the jar. And I like to take about 3 sun-dried tomatoes. It really depends on the size that they are or how much you want to add. I'll do like 3.5. And I'm just going to give this a rough chop just to make them into slightly smaller pieces. I'm going to take the sun-dried tomato and add it on top of my salmon. Just kind of spread it out like this. And we're also gonna add a little bit on top of the asparagus. So the delicious flavor from the sun-dried tomatoes is gonna be on the salmon, in the asparagus, and it's gonna add some really, really nice burst of flavor. If you know someone that would love this recipe, make sure to share this video with them. Hit that share button. It really helps out the channel. The next thing I'm going to add is some lemon zest. Now I like to zest the lemon right on top of the dish. You can do it separately and then add it on top later, just however you prefer. So I'm just going to gently zest 1 whole lemon. I'm also gonna squeeze the lemon juice of half of the lemon right onto my asparagus and my salmon. And I'm gonna be using a Meyer lemon actually. I'm not using a classic lemon. I do love the fragrance that it gives this dish. So if you can find a Meyer lemon, and that will be in the description below under the ingredients, make sure to get a Meyer lemon. Otherwise, a regular lemon will be perfect as well. The last ingredient is, of course, the Boursin cheese. I'm gonna be using this one. It is the garlic and fine herbs. If you cannot find this kind of cheese, though, it is pretty accessible. If you can't find this one, an herb goat cheese will work great for this as well. And for each filet, I like to use 1/4 of the Boursin cheese. So since I have 2 fillets, I'm gonna cut this in half and then 1/4. And I'm gonna add my 1/4 just straight on like this to the middle of the salmon, and same thing for the other one. As it bakes, it's going to melt right on top of the salmon. It's gonna give this delicious cheesy crust. Our dish is ready to go into the oven. My oven is now preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This dish is going to bake for about 15 to 18 minutes. And there you have it, delicious, simple baked salmon with asparagus. And this is just one of the easiest meal prep dishes that you can make. If you want, you can also broil it at the very end once it's done baking for about a minute or 2 to let this get crusty. I like it just like this, fresh from the oven. And you wanna just take this cheese and spread it out on your salmon. Let's get a little bite right here. We have our delicious salmon, that delicious cheese served with some fresh, crispy asparagus. I absolutely love this one. I know you guys will too. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and cheers. So much flavor. It just melts in your mouth. I absolutely love this one, and it is so healthy for you and so macro friendly. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.